Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your essential tools, including a 12mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct type of engine oil, typically 0W20 synthetic, and a new oil filter. Finally, park your 4Runner on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 14mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain out. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before installing it, hand tightening until snug. Finally, pour the recommended 6 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's fill port. After refilling, replace the oil cap and start your engine, letting it run for a minute or two. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, you'll find a link to a fantastic book there that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.